Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. You love Shiny. It's me, Shiny, your favorite Southern Belle, with a cocktail. Today, we got a blue Hawaiian on deck. Y'all already know I stay with cocktails. All right, y'all, so if you are new here, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment so I can say hi to you. And hit the bell to be notified every single time I upload a video. Okay, so you can tell from the title, I am doing a challenge. It is Nene'S. So I'm going to link her channel in the description box. Y'all make sure, because she lost her old channel, she's starting over. So make sure to go over there and subscribe. It is the 20 ranch wing challenge is what I am doing. She called me out herself personally. But we had a snowstorm and it was rough. So I am here. I'm late, but I'm here. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. I'm here. I'm here. So we're going to see how many I can eat. If you want to do this challenge, go ahead and do it. It's 20 ranch wings. You can either get them from Walmart or you can make your own like I did. 20 is no time. Baby, that thing good. Okay, y'all. So if you're not following me on my socials, I can't even think right now. If you're not following me on my socials, make sure to follow me. They'll be floating around. And check out my website of youloveshiny.com. I want to make sure I got a catch-all for these bones. Got napkins, got everything together. I am back. I'm back again. Y'all, comment down below. How did you like that Popeyes video? Yeah, that was good. Let me see. Can I show y'all? Made my own ranch wings, so that's dead. I remember Marquise Hilton, he eat these all the time. I never had these before. They bomb. They bomb. They hot too. But I was gonna say, Marquise said, whenever you cooking them and you getting them out fresh, when they hot, then you put the ranch on them. So that's what I did, Marquise. Shout out to you. They was smoking hot. Shook them up with the ranch. That bomb. Shout out to you, Nene, for coming up with this challenge. It's good. I've never had ranch wings before. They're good. They are. For y'all to be saying I don't play my bone. Be gone. Oh yeah, I got all flats. And that's that. The hashtag the cannons be saying, oh, it's all flats and that's that. All flats. And that's that. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. This one is super ranched up. Look. Welcome to the channel. It's no time, but you gotta eat all 20. I'm gonna do my best, y'all. If you are a returning subscriber, hold on. I'm on the same wing, y'all. They still ain't went nowhere. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's coming right off the bone. They good. If you have never tried ranch wings like me, this is a challenge for you. Yeah, this is a challenge for you. They good. And my meat fell on. They good. I'm about to get ranch everywhere. They good. I'm counting at the end to see how many I have to know how many I ate too. I'm hungry. So how everybody doing? I hope you're having a good day. Whatever day it is. If you are watching this, I hope you're having a good one. Comment, do y'all like flats or drums? Y'all see my meat now? I dropped it. Drums or flats? Y'all see what I got? It's good. They ranched up. I wonder who thought this. You know what else I heard of? People put ranch in their hamburger meat when they making burgers. They put ranch seasoning. But you can't even taste the ranch. So this is very different from that. Way different. Yeah, Nene is also a small business owner like myself. So I will put all her links, her business name, all that, in the description box below. Y'all make sure y'all check in the description box because they have a lot of information in there sometime. That's good. I see that last one. Let me be great. Y'all see it. Oh, y'all, this is good. Look how it's just. Your fingers be ranch. It's like eating chips. Ranch Doritos. That's what it's like. I'm good. I don't know what else to tell you. I'm enjoying these challenges. The ones I'm doing. Oh. Huh? I'm enjoying them. So if you want to do this challenge, I suggest you do. It's good. I thought I would need some type of sauce or something, but y'all. That good. That good. Empty bone. I don't have no topics today. I'm super busy today. My son had a doctor's appointment. And a new way they do it is, when you pull up, you text them and say here. And you put the patient last name. And then you wait and they text you and tell you when you can come in. So that way it's not like a overcrowding of people sitting in the lobby and all that good stuff. Ain't none of that. Right in, get it done, and you out. That's it. So he had an appointment. And then I went to work. And now I'm here. That's my day. That's my day. They good. They good. So I'm supposed to call people out. I think I've seen everybody do this. Let me see. Chocolate drop $4.92. If you haven't done this, you can do it. Empty. Let me see. Every time you get up here, you draw a blank on who you want to call out. If you don't write it down, you write it down. Let's see. Good. Tristan. Marquise already did it. No, he was on it. He loved his ranch wings. Mukbang Bulls. Y'all want to do this ranch challenge 20? If y'all know who Mukbang Bulls is, let me be right there. Okay. I'm just playing, y'all. It's Big Mac, myself, You Love Shiny, Lips, and Sam's World. So, yeah, if y'all want to do this challenge, squeeze it in. Get it done. I know for a fact Lips can eat 20 wings. Put money on him. In the challenge, put your money on Lips. I don't, period. He don't back down. No. These are so good, y'all. Look at that ranch on there. Y'all see it? My light be hating. They good. I don't know what to say, y'all. They fine. Comment in the comment what type of wings you like. You like barbecue? I know I got ranch everywhere. I'm gonna be editing this, cussing myself out like, girl, now you know. Do you like barbecue, lemon pepper, garlic parmesan? What type of wings you like? All flats over here. Flats or drums. I got some drums over there. Because people in my house, they like a mixture. But as for me, I'm eating flats. That's good. Bones. I wonder, have I ate 10? Probably not. I don't want to count them and get discouraged. That's what she's not going to do. She ain't doing it. Don't do it to yourself. Now I want to drink my drink, but cheers. Take baby sips because that drink is good. It's really good. Have y'all tried these ranch wings before? They at Walmart. I never seen them at my Walmart though. I know a lot of people get it from Walmart. I haven't seen it at Walmart. I would have got it already. I know I would have. I know it's in a hot case where they cook the hot food. But I don't ever see that. Everything but ranch chicken. You got hot wing, barbecue. We got the little popcorn chicken. The wedges, I got what? Not ranch chicken. So if you're in Houston and you know what a ranch chicken at Walmart is, let me know. I'll take that drive. Because I want to try it. Savage. Savagery. So yeah, I'll tell y'all about my day. Get in the comments and tell me about yours. Whatever day you watching this. I don't know why, but I've been watching an insane amount of clean with me videos. Like long marathons. I fall asleep watching clean, like the last few days. I've been on them clean with me. I don't know. What's up with that? I don't know. But I go to sleep watching Clean With Me. Like hours of it. Some people have like a Clean With Me marathon. Over days. And they just edit it all together. It'll be a 3-hour video. You know, I'll be watching it. Why am I watching people clean their house? Like, I don't know. It can't be for the products they use because I don't never buy them. I stick to my normal products that I use. Cleaning up. I'm getting full. I don't know how I know. And people really eating 20. You know how y'all don't know. So why am I watching Clean With Me? What's something on YouTube that you watch that's not the norm? But it's nothing is really the norm. Just, baby. I remember on my live one time. Or was it somebody else live? I don't know. But we was talking about all the different type of stuff we watch. And somebody said they watched the Mortician. And they suggested the channel to me before. YouTube did. And I don't know why. It's the channel is some of y'all gonna go watch this channel now. Ask a Mortician. Like it's some of everything on YouTube. Just type it in. And just type it in. Some called Ask a Mortician. They also be suggesting all kind of weird stuff. I guess just trying to see if I'm watching. So they could suggest some more stuff. It's not weird, it's just different. Some of it is weird. The kind of suggestions I get on YouTube, I'm like, what? When have I ever watched anything remotely close to this? Never. Not never. Don't recommend this channel. I don't know watching that. It is some suggestions that's related to what I watched though. Cheers, I'm full. I got 6 left. I mean, I ate 14 wings. I know you lying. I know you lying right now. 6. I really can't believe I ate 14 wings. Like me? Clearly I did. I mean, the math is math. Numbers don't lie. They said that. So I ate 15 wings. 14. I'm gonna let the peanut gallery try these because they never had ranch either, so they can try these right now. Oh, excuse me. Y'all don't forget to go check out NENE'S channel. The people that I called out: Tristan Bell, Chocolate 492. Everybody already did that. And I just set up here at 8 to 15. Everybody I'm thinking about already did it because I watched them. Anyway, if you're watching this and you haven't done this, you got a mukbang channel, do it. I will put NENE'S channel in the description box as well as her businesses. Cheers. I can't believe I ate 15 wings. I was hungry though. I haven't ate since this morning. Trying to make sure I didn't forget anything. I don't think so. Y'all, enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you have not already, and you made it to this point, put a chicken wing in the comments. And also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. My lips is chapped from that ranch powder. Anybody got time for that? I'm gone. I will see y'all on the next video. Don't forget to put in the comments if it's something you want to see me eat. Within reason. Please and thank you. Okay, I'm going, y'all. I'm gone. But I'm going to bring back the subscriber requests. I already got some already locked and loaded. We out. I'll see y'all on the next video. I got ranch in my teeth. I'm sorry. Your girl is out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out Nene Eats channel as well as her challenge. If you have not done it, then do it. Better late than never. That's what they say. That's what they say. Bye. I'm gone because I'm just rambling now. I'm gone. Bye, y'all.